And now about this important announcement, listen and listen well. There are many apps out there, so many apps. Just go to Play Store, go to Google, go to wherever you download your apps from. Just go there. You're going to find so many apps there. You're going to find apps that will help you track your sleep pattern. You're going to see apps that can help you track your blood pressure. You're going to see apps on many things, to take notes, to remember things, reminders, so many apps. But I want to ask you this question: have you seen any app on diet? And not just diet for Nigerians. Have you come across any app on diet for Nigerians? Apps where you're going to see things like egusi soup and even recipe on how to prepare that. Have you seen any app like that? I bet you have not. And so the good news I have for you is that we are coming out with a very good app for you called DietPadi, powered by CNC, Citadel Nutrition Consult. This app is going to help a lot. Let me tell you the features. Let me tell you the things that you're going to find on this app when we finally launch it. It's not on Play Store, so that you will not rush there now, go and look for it. It's not yet there. We are about to launch it, but let me tell you what you're going to find there. On this app, DietPadi, you'll be able to check your body mass index. A lot of you don't even know your BMI. You don't know if you're overweight, if you're underweight, or if you have a normal BMI. You will be able to check that on DietPadi. You'll be able to check your body mass index. You just need to input your weight, your height, and it will calculate and tell you your body mass index. That is number one. Then number two is that you will be able to track your progress on this DietPadi app. If you're hypertensive, you'll be able to plot your blood pressure. If you're on a weight loss journey, you'll be able to enter your weight and keep track of your progress. And even if you're diabetic, you'll be able to enter your sugar level and keep track. So it has a monitoring chart in the app. But that is not even all. The most interesting part of it is that you will also get our diet plan. Dietitian Michelle has a well-planned, adequate, balanced diet plan. A lot of you don't have diet plans, and that explains why you don't eat healthy. You would be thinking, what should we cook? And when you run out of ideas, you just jump and conclude and take noodles and bread. That is all. Noodles and bread, rice. Noodles and bread, rice. Do you want to have a balanced life? Do you want to eat well? Then this app is going to help you to solve the problem. We have well-balanced diet plan on that app. This is sounding exciting, right? And that is not even all. The interesting part of it is that for the diet plan that you're going to find on this app, there will be recipes. So you won't even tell yourself, oh, okay, now I have the diet plan, I have healthy foods recommended. How do I cook it? It solves the problem. It solves the problem. You just need to have the app. You have the diet plans. You also have the recipes. And do you know what makes it very good? Even if you forget your diet plan. I've had clients who say, Daisha Michelle, I lost my diet plan. Oh, Daisha Michelle, I forgot it at home. Oh, Daisha Michelle, please can you help me quickly send? That will no longer be the case, because your diet plan will follow you wherever you are, anywhere you go. To just have internet, and you'll be able to access your diet plan. You'll be able to access your recipe. That sounds good, isn't it? But do you know what? We have not even finished. You'll be able to book appointments with dietitians. Oh, something is confusing, or you've just seen your doctor and you need to talk to a dietitian. There and there in app, you will be able to book consultation, and a dietitian will attend to you. Oh, goodness gracious. I will not be able to list all the benefits, but there are lots of benefits on this app. We are about to launch it, but I want you to be amongst the first. Do you know why I want you to be among the first? Just join the waiting list. All you have to do is to say, I have heard about the features of this and I am interested. I want to be amongst the first to download it. Then you will join what we call the waiting list. When we have people like that there, they'll be the first people to know when the app is launched. They'll be the first people to download and get these features free of charge before we start billing, because we have to bill now to pay our rent. We will bill, but the first people to download will enjoy these features free of charge.